It's really exciting to be able to be here and be invited to have a look around. The facilities are purpose built, so each floor has a different purpose within the building. This second floor that we're on now, this is for the nursing and social care. So there are several different areas that have been designed. The area that we're in at the moment is to replicate a ward within a hospital environment. It's got facilities for oxygen piping. We've got mannequins that are electronically programmed so they can have different health conditions that the students need to learn about. We've got an operating department just down the corridor down there, and we've also got a mock-up of an individual in a patient's house, because obviously a lot of the work that we do as nurses is in people's homes. So it's about understanding the difference when you're there on your own and you haven't got all of this equipment that you would have in a ward, and the privilege that you have of being invited into people's houses. So it's great the students could get an experience of that before they actually go out in practice.
When we were walking around with hard hats, it's difficult to envisage what it's going to look like, but to see and meet students today and hear about some of the great stories about what they're learning on their course is just phenomenal. This is basically a college for Cornwall. You know, it's effectively meeting the demands of businesses in and around the Cornwall area. Having the opportunity to put those practical skills that you're learning in the classroom into the workplace, and building some of those relationships with some of those firms that might well be employers in 3 years' time. You know, that's the real change here. It's the kind of relationship between the businesses and the colleges that we haven't seen before, and I'm delighted that it's happening right here in North Cornwall.
We spend a lot of time working with industry to try and really identify which companies, which industries are going to grow in Cornwall, where the opportunities lie for people in employment in the future, where the critical needs are, where the shortages are in industry currently and the hard to fill vacancies. Everything that's going on in this building is critical for Cornwall. It's really important. And I think having the ability to influence that and develop and help to solve those issues, that's, I think, what I'm most proud of.
Yeah, what a great facility this is, and it affords a great opportunity for our young engineers who are just starting out on an apprenticeship. It's a great facility. It's got some fantastically modern equipment. Engineering is always going to be important, especially in a business like Emery's, and the growth opportunities over the next 5-10 years are going to afford some fantastic opportunities when these people are qualified.
Well, I originally did a BTEC before I joined the apprenticeship, but I'd much rather know how to do it hands-on than being told how to do it, and it gives you much more experience when you go into the workplace rather than being very book smart about it all. So that's why I chose apprenticeship.
All the different aspects in the building, so you've got the welding department, the fabrication department, and just the bench fitting department, and it allows you to do different things and get an idea of what you want to do at the end of the apprenticeship when you're comfortable in everything.
It gives me a lot of experience being shown how to do it and having a mentor when you're in the workplace, going by yourself out to a job. It gives you a lot of experience, and I think that's very helpful as well to make it less intimidating.
It's exceptional. I've never seen anything like this, to be honest, and it's just really nice to see such a new setup for Bodmin. It's really exciting as well with the future of Bodmin, looking towards food and drink production. I think the skill set that this is going to help people with is going to really benefit local people.
I think people are going to be pretty blown away when they see how good this place is, and they're going to be absolutely itching to get them in there, but also talk to their friends about the great learning experiences that they're having. And I think this place is going to go from strength to strength.